To apply the Master Shield fabric protector, you will need the spray applicator for the Master Shield fabric protector. The canister may be white, or it may be a red one, or it could be just about any color, but as long as it's the Sure Shot applicator, you'll be good to go. This applicator is used for only fabric protector application. Nothing else should be put inside this container. You'll need 1 bottle of product. Again, this product has a seal on it, so you will want to remove the seal. You will need an adjustable wrench to open the container. Pour the full container of product into the applicator bottle. "16 ounces of product is enough to do 1 average size auto interior. Snug it up lightly. Remove the protective cap. And then we will pressurize the container with an air chuck. Keep filling the container until you hear it no longer accepting air. It only takes a second or two to fill it up. And now we're ready to spray the interior. Once you're ready to spray the fabric and complete interior needs to be vacuumed thoroughly, completely clean and dry. If any spots were removed from the seats, they would need to be allowed to dry thoroughly before applying the fabric protector. We're going to start at the top, and we're going to put a light mist of product onto the headliner. Then we'll allow the mist to settle down. And then we'll continue to spray, starting at the driver's seat by spraying the headliner, or the headrest, spraying the back of the seat, making sure we get complete coverage. Then we'll spray the seat bottom. Making sure we thoroughly wet the fabric. And we'll keep a towel with us for any overspray that's on any leather, vinyl, or plastic parts. We'll simply wipe it right off. If the vehicle has door panels that are fabric, we will spray them also. Once you spray the driver's seat, then we'll move around, we'll do the back seat, come around to the passenger seat front, and be completed. 16 ounces of product will do the average size interior. We do treat the carpeting. If there's any product left over once the carpets are completely sprayed, then we can spray the floor mats if so equipped. Once the seats are sprayed, then we'll move on and we'll spray the carpeting. You can see the product on the carpeting, and it will leave a nice wetness to the carpeting. Allow this product to soak in. It will dry in approximately 1 to 1.5 hours. Remove any overspray from any plastic or vinyl. Once the fabric protector has been completely applied and you've wiped off any overspray from the interior, simply release the pressure from the gun and you're ready for your next application. The next product we're going to install is the Master Shield Leather Vinyl Protector. This is a clear coating that goes on all leather and vinyl seating surfaces inside the vehicles. It is not a conditioner, it is not a cleaner, it is a true sealer for the leather seats. It's like clear coat for the leather seatings. To apply it, we're going to use the product itself, and again, it will have a foil seal inside to keep the product fresh. To apply it, we are going to use a sponge that is a closed cell sponge, a tight sponge. We don't want to use a wax applicator pad because of the lint possibilities. And this pad is to be used for leather vinyl protector only, for no other products. And when you're finished with this, after you apply the product, we want you to rinse it out, wring it out real good, and then it's ready to go for the next application. To install the Master Shield leather vinyl protector, flip open the lid, and it's important not to pour the product onto the seat, especially when you have a seat that's perforated like this one. We do not want to clog these holes. Simply pour a few drops of the product onto the applicator pad and lightly wipe it on the seats. The product dries fairly fast, so you don't want to keep rubbing the product. Lightly wipe it on, go in both directions to ensure complete coverage. And then before the product starts to dry, you want to stop applicating it. The product may show up with a light blue tint to it. That would be the fluorescent lights in your shop reflecting in the UV blocker that's in the product, and it will dry completely clear and totally unnoticeable to the customer. Do the seat bottoms, do the backs of the seats, make sure to do the headrest. This particular product, a little bit goes a long way. 2 thin coats are actually better than 1 thick or heavy coat. Make sure not to miss any areas, as it will show up in the sunlight that you missed an area. It's important to note that the seats must be perfectly clean and dry before applying this product. If there has been any kind of a dressing applied to the interior, it will need to be removed first, as it will cause fish eyeing of this product. Be sure to complete the backs of the seats, including the headrest. Underneath the headrest, and the complete backs of the seats. The product will dry in approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can check to make sure you have complete and even coverage. You may then touch up any areas you possibly have missed. Just remember, a light coat. A little bit of product does go a long way.